I'm gonna pull engine out, pull everything out. Just recheck and make sure that all the welds are complete. Everything is welded out 100%. There's no missing, little tiny wraparound corners or something like that. And then doing a quick spray bomb on the actual chassis rails or tubes, whatever. I'll go ahead and pull the heads, pull the sloppy stage 2 out of this one. Fix the 3 oil leaks, check top dead center, and go ahead and put a timing pointer on there. So that's what I'll be working on. Just get everything ready, and then once all the parts show up, it shouldn't be too bad to go ahead and get everything swapped over and put back in. First cylinder heads off. This is the driver's side. No real issues, which there wasn't any real issue to begin with. The only thing I see that I don't like, and I already knew about it, when I first got this short block, there's some issues with the deck surface, and we got that taken care of. And then after it was put together, there was a lot of material, like a lot of material that came out of the filter, out of the pan, and all that. So, and I mean, there's been glitter in the pan since day one, to be honest. But kind of what I thought was either it was from the block not being cleaned properly, or kind of could be that. Plus, I mean, I'm getting kind of some sidewall scuffing you can see in there, so that's definitely adding some material. But besides that, so far everything looks fine, and we've driven like almost 2,000 miles, so I'm not overly concerned with it at the moment. Alright, got the heads torqued down. I'm using stock rockers with Brian Tooley trunnion upgrades. Same deal, everything's torqued up, ready to go. 80 foot-pounds on the heads. Changed out the crank sensor, or the cam sensor rather. GM cam sensor. These are 6-bolt heads, but they work on a regular LM7 4-bolt deal, so just kind of looks a little weird because it just overhangs. But that's fine, no big deal. I'm gonna get everything ready to put the intake manifold back on, and once the alignment tool comes for the rear main seal, I can swap that out. Finishing up some of the plumbing for the brakes. So I think we've decided, since Kaden wants to focus a little bit more on social media, that we'll hire another person to kind of come in the shop and give us a hand. We're going to do a little on-the-job site training. We do a little bit of Why are you smiling?
What are you talking about?
Our new potential employee. Anyways, we're gonna do some on-the-job training with this guy. He's a little bit slower, but he lives close by, so I think we can use the help. Just gonna be nice to have an extra little hand around here. So, he's supposed to be here. Let me have a watch on. Any minute now, so I think we'll have him give us a help leading the break and just kind of getting used to working with the guy. So we'll see him when he shows up here in a few minutes. Alright, man, when I tell you, the brakes are the other way, but when I tell you, I need you to hit the brake pedal. And Mr. Turtle, we're over here, bud. Hey, bud. Alright, well, you just do your thing. Whenever I'm ready, I'll let you know, okay? When I let you know, go ahead and hit that pedal. And then hold it until I tell you to let go, alright? Alright, go ahead and pump it 3 times and then hold. Hold. Good deal. Alright, I think we'll be good. Appreciate it, man. Caleb broke my handle. It's been on there for like 2.5 years. Can't have nothing.
You could have a working handle.
What?
A working handle.
Well, you're supposed to push it forward.
I didn't see any instructions.
Well, you know.
Sorry about your handle.
It's alright, don't know that. Alright, man, I think you're gonna work out. Alright, man, well, tomorrow sound okay? He's busy, I guess. Dingo, you stay away from him! Dingo. Anyways, man, it was great to do a working interview with you. I think I can pay you like a handful of sticks a day. Does that sound alright to you? Alright, I think he's trying to get out of here, so we'll let him get out of here and get some rest. It's had a tough day. Alright, man. We'll see you later.